Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character gōng step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. 工 gōng work, skill, trade. For example, 工作 工作 to work, job. Pay more attention to your work. Pay more attention to your work. Pay more attention to your work. 工作多上点心。工作多上点心，工作多上点心。上点心 ，pay more attention。多上点心。gōng in cursive. gōng work, skill, trade. 工作 to work, job. Pay more attention to your job. 工作多上点心。Please comment any words or sentence with the character 工. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.